What it is, this is going to be a backtesting video for the previous week, and let's get it done. It's gonna be black. It's gonna be dark. It's gonna be dark. My face, I mean, yeah, look at that. Anyways, that's not what we are here to look for. We are here to look for price action and learning. Holy shit. Why am I talking like a stupid idiot? All right, then. Start new. It's going to be Monday. Monday. That's Friday, dumbass. Let me keep it at 8:30, and hover before probably. There it is. I don't give a fuck. All right, cool. The hell? Why we again? Why we again, man? Oh man, not again. All right. I literally don't remember anything what happened this week, but let's just dive into it. And by the way, this is what I have should have done this week. And it's been a pretty good week for me, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. See that? We got the trend line liquidity up there. But one thing we need to look at the price doing before the price taking out these liquidities right here. We had to look at a sweep above manipulation and then probably go up, sweep that again, and then come back down like that. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, see that? This is what I'm expecting the price to do. Oh man, come on, dude. Well, let's see how this one goes. I'm keep on licking my lips. I really hate it. It's burning. I can't do shit. What the fuck? My lip balm is not working. As actually, I don't even know the company. It's probably Nivea, I guess. But it's not working. Whatever it is. Anyways, we see the prices consolidating right here. I want to go to the 15-minute time frame. I don't feel the context. I don't see the context on 1 minute time frame. I am going to be bullish. The reason we have an inversion break of structure and we got multiple fair value gaps, so we are going to be bullish. So let's just mark it out. This is an inversion right here. I'm not doing anything. I'm not doing anything literally. There it is. That's one. That's two. These are the two liquidities. These are the two liquidities. I need to see the price sweep. Okay, cool. Okay, we got it. We got it. We got it. So I'm gonna go. What is that? It's about to be 9:30. Before 9:30, we got the previous day's Asian high has been swept, and we have this 15-minute inversion, which clearly says the price is about to go down. And even on 5 minutes, we have a market structure shift and a fair value gap that's been found. See that inversion? That's beautiful inversion, to be honest. So we got this. All right, cool. So that's data low. There it is. Look at that immediate reaction. But I'm gonna wait patiently. There it is. That's your entry. That is going to be my entry where that entry I'm gonna enter right here, having my stop loss below that, whatever it is. Like, wait a minute. Let me explain it as simple as possible. Okay, why the reason for me to keep my stop loss below this inversion, exactly where the inversion ends. Maybe you can keep it right here. If your balls are really big, you can keep it right there. But I don't have a big balls, but I have a medium balls. So I keep my stop loss right here, and I'm gonna target this high. That's the one thing that I wanna do right here. Where's my break even gonna be? Probably after this inversion. So we got everything right. We got everything done. Let's keep it real. I'm gonna have to risk. Wait, I'm gonna risk. We cannot do that here. Wow. 3 units. Okay. And I'm gonna stop loss right there. Just to prove that, just to like, um, feel that it's real. And also one more thing, one more confluence that I need to place is that 75% extension. Like we got this inversion right at London low sweep. And also we are actually having this 50 to 75% rejection. So within that, we can actually look for a reversal. So which happened right here. That's the reason why I took it. And I just wanted to like let you know, like I just literally look at this price to move, move, move. It's going up. It has to go up. It has to go up. Anyways, let's see. I might be wrong, I might be right, but it is what it is. There we go, break even. Like that. See the next candle, literally rejecting off this 1 minute fair value gap. And this 1 minute fair value gap is also being respected. Got a break even, mom. There it is. Another inversion. I'm gonna take that trade again. I'm being too fast. My mind actually works so fast than my actual hand actually do stuff. So I'm gonna enter again, having my stop loss below the same shape, probably below this. I can have a $150 risk, maybe 150. Let's keep it 150. Yeah, 150 comes there. So I'm gonna keep my stop loss there. This is a break-even trade, and just keep it that way. One break even is not gonna hurt you. What are you gonna do after that break even is what matters, right? So if we close, if I just move next candle, that's stupid. Not gonna actually target that shoot for the moon, but I'm just gonna close it at 1:2 or 1:3. That's going to be the max. And where's my stop loss is going to be, I mean, where is my break even point? This inversion is my break even point. There is another break even. Probably scale down a little bit, maybe have a sell limit. I'm gonna take off two contracts right there. Dude, really? Anyways, that was a clean trade, freaking clean trade. This is what we need. This is the patience we need, the patience. Actually, not the trade, not the execution, not the risk management. We need the patience. We need the patience to actually wait for the setup, which I don't have. That's why I'm still unprofitable, still on break-even stage. Absolutely beautiful banger trade. So I love this trade. I don't know why it closed. Gonna keep go up, keep on going up. Wow, what a beautiful trade, honestly. Like if I'm in the market, I would definitely take this trade. If I'm in the market, I would definitely take this trade. Reason we have an internal sweep right here. We have an inversion, we have an Asian sweep. On top of it, we are bullish overall. And before market open, we swept out the ultimate liquidity that we need to like actually look for sell. If the price if the market if the price swept this high, wait a minute, let me just go get my brush. I feel like I'm actually being professional when I use the brush now. So okay now. So if the price swept out, I mean this area, this price right here, if the market swept out after like the market open, if this high, come on, dude. If this high actually swept out, if the high actually got swept out after market opened, then we could have looked for sell for these lows right here, these lows right here. But we didn't actually sweep out that high after market open. Before market, we swept that high before market open, and we have a 15-minute inversion fair value gap before market open. But that's not gonna actually make us stupid, right? So here it is. We already swept out this low, which is London low, before market open. Again, we got this inversion. We could have entered right here, closed at 1:1, probably. Like 1:1, that's all you need. And that price action actually gave us 1:1. And we also have this, I mean, this trade is break even, and it's a clean break even trade. But this one is absolute banger. Like, look at that displacement right here. We invest after one, two, three, four, 5 candles. It took 5 candles to actually invest at Pavilion, which actually already says that this inversion is not gonna work. But right here, we sweep out the Asian low, and then we got this 1 minute inversion with displacement. The right next candle after that inversion, I mean the bearish Vivaldi gap formed. And that actually says us that the price is about to go up and sweep the next liquidity, which is right here. So that's one thing. That's the reason why this trade worked out, but this didn't work out. Only you need all you gotta do is just wait patiently. Like patience is all you need. Like if you could wait for the setup like this, you could have actually made a bang of money, and you could have actually passed your accounts. Probably, I don't know, man. Just saying. I'm actually a stupid retard. I don't actually follow my rules. I don't actually myself follow my rules. But I'm trying though. I'm trying. I'm trying my best. I'm trying my best. I'm gonna talk in British accent. It's gonna don't get annoyed. If you're watching this, don't get annoyed. I'm just doing it for myself. I'm not actually doing it for anybody. I'm just gonna be myself. Yeah. What do you see? What do you see here, Moy? They got a huge displacement to the downside, right? To the sell side. I still get confused with the buy side and sell side. You know, that doesn't make that. I don't know how to trade. Yeah, I don't know how to trade. That's a different story. But yeah, so we got this 15-minute almost inversion. That looked nasty as fuck. And we didn't actually sweep out this low. Maybe ES probably might have swept that low. I don't know. I'm not gonna see that anyways. I don't actually look at SMTs. That's for bullshit. That's for pussies. Fuck, dude. I'm really sorry about that. I am really sorry about that. That's not actually what I mean. I am a stupid. I am just trying to be cool, and I'm really sorry about what I said right now. Anyways, I am really sorry. I'm just trying to correct myself right here. All right. So we got a 15-minute inversion, and we don't actually have any structure shifts or I mean changes to nothing like that, right? Yeah. So right now I'm gonna go to 15 minutes and see that's one confidence. We don't have anything else. We could actually wait for a liquidity sweep, which is about to be it's about to be market open, right? I'm gonna be bearish. Uh, Louis V. Sandals. Okay, that's a 15-minute fair value gap. Maybe I'm gonna take an entry right here inside that fair value gap. Probably target that's it. We're displacing really hard, and that alone says that it's gonna go up, and yeah, like whatever. Well, I need to have my entry right here. Stop loss is going to be at this big value gap. I'm gonna target 1 is to 1.5 probably. That's it. Go for a buy. Stop loss below and take profit at that zone. And then all you gotta do is wait, all you gotta do is wait, my nigga. And I guess this is going to be my break-even point. This is going to be my break-even point right there. Should shoot up. Dude, come on, man. Don't stop me out, dude. It is break-even. It is. Break-even. Dude, we don't really have any sort of entries right there. And one thing I could have done was wait for another confluence, but if I would have actually waited for that, that would have been like super nuts. And we don't actually have any inversion right at this leg, even after this internal sweep. Maybe you could have just did one thing, wait for this internal sweep right here, and then enter at this pivot gap right here, right? So you could just enter right there and have your stop loss below this pivot gap or maybe here. Tight stop loss, bro. Like that's a sniper entry. What do you mean? Could target 1 is to 4.79, dude. That's awesome to be honest. But could we actually wait for that? Like I got break even right there. I would have been probably taking another trade after this inversion if I were in the live market. But yeah, guess what? I'm not going to be stupid anymore. I would not actually enter anymore like that. So, yeah, I would actually wait for this. And I would have actually not traded. Or I would have locked myself out. I could have done a lot of things. But this could have been an entry, and yeah, that's could have been a take profit. So yeah, the reason for me to say I'm going to be but I said bearish. I'm going to be bearish because I thought the price is going to go down. I'm really wow. And I felt okay. I saw this inversion right there, and then that's like lame. This inversion is really lame. I mean, like it's not. It took 10 candles to actually invest that one 15-minute Fibonacci gap, and we shot out right after market open. We couldn't actually even get an entry right there, and right here we got one entry. This would have been a target. Like for the reason why I told the price is about to go down is because I thought. Um, right here we actually swept out London high before market open, so which probably could have which we could actually probably expect the price to do this, come back down, sweep out just sweep out any one of internal, and then probably go up. And maybe London low can be swept and go up if you actually have these kind of model right here. But right here, I don't really know why it went up, only because of this 15-minute inversion, and this 115-minute candle actually says that it's gonna about to go up. And man, most of the times probably price reverse from there. We still have that 15-minute gap right there after this internal high. Also, that is an Asian high, and that is why I was bearish. And see, like you can actually like flip your bias, flip your thought process, flip your everything, flip whatever you're thinking of. But I have my break even point. I break even that trade and it got smashed. And maybe after this internal low, we could have actually expected the price to expand, which really happened. And we were not in the trade, and we are going to the next day. I am going to the next day, or the price is going to the next day, and it's going to still give you an entry, still give you and take, I mean, still going to give you money, and still probably take your money if you are wrong, if you are impatient, if you're greedy. Louis Sandals. Dude, stop, man, stop. Not even listening to me. My own computer is not listening to me. What I'm seeing right here is a clear price action to be bearish. I'm going to be stupid marking that full ass fair value gap. Right here, we got a 15-minute fair value gap. Right here, we got a 15-minute fair value gap that got inversed. And then you have this 15-minute fair value gap, and that creates a BPR. Uh, we'll see, we'll see. We still got this internal right here. Whatever can happen after that, right? And we can actually the 5 minutes fair value gap plus internal low right resting row resting below. And see that price actually rejecting off that 15-minute fair value gap. Holy shit! What the was that? 8:30. Well, there was a news. I don't know, man. I'm not even going to be trading at this point. I mean, like not trading. Like I'm not gonna actually trade at these times. Probably I'd come to my system at exactly 9:15, 9 o'clock, probably 9:20 sometimes. But yeah, look, I guess this is 2 weeks before. Anyways, this is where I blew my 50K live account. We got one entry right here, but I still remember that. Like we got this one entry after this Asian high has been swept, and if you could see from that low, it's about 75%. And right from there, we got an inversion with the displacement, and then we can actually enter right at that point and probably break even. We could have stopped out. We could have got stopped out of break even. And if you were lucky, you could have just had your stop loss somewhere around here, blah blah blah, and then price goes to your take profit. But it is what it is, man. I made a mistake shooting this whole video. I was like doing it for the previous week. I thought I'm doing it for the previous week, which is 20th probably. I mean, this is straight, bro. I don't even feel like doing it, bro. My hands are out here. Wow, still moving. That says I need to like actually get a new laptop. Look at that. Stupid, bro. Okay, I could have did this. Wait for that internal high speed, maybe this to speed, and we got a lot of liquidities below, a lot of resting sell side liquidities right here, one right here, another one right here. We got a lot of things right there. And if you actually saw this inversion, this flip plus five value gap projecting, and then you could have just entered right here, targeting this. That could have been a beautiful trade. Anyways, that's the Wednesday. When I pull out the extension right there, and gonna see that's a 75% extension. I'm gonna be bearish. Gonna target this London low, probably Asian low. I'm not gonna target all the way to Asian low or London low, but I'll be closing that a little bit before, maybe after, like whatever it is. Wait for this inversion, like this high spin swap. We got a displacement that, and then we got a 1 minute fair value gap inversion, and I'm still not gonna take a trade because it's kind of too choppy. Yeah, probably no trading day, no trades on the day, no trades on this day. Stupid as price action. Maybe on PM session, maybe PM session is really good, but nah, man, not gonna take that. Gonna draw an extension again to this low to this high, and then gonna remove this stupid. Maybe we could actually expect the price to reverse after this internal, I mean, this high has been swept, after this high getting swept. And maybe we can actually expect an entry before that too. This 15-minute fair value gap. I'm gonna mark that out, and let's go to 1 minute again. Gonna wait for an entry. Yeah, I'm gonna enter right at this 1 minute fair value gap. Reason because we have a powerful zone for rejection. We got this 50 to 75% extension, and then probably this 1 minute fair value gap after this market structure shift right here. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna take an entry. There it is. I still remember what I did. By the way. That's going to be my stop loss. That's going to be me stop loss. And this is going to be the take profit that I'm going to target. And boom. Always trust your instinct, brothers. Trust your instincts. There it is. Target it is. Clean one is to 2.6 trade. Yo, I'm out, bro. I'm out. Just keep going, keep going. And this, I was really excited when I was actually starting this video. I was really excited and I was really happy to actually film this one. But once I got to know that this is actually previous week's previous week, so kind of got messed up, bro. Why, man? Hmm. I am so sleepy. It's been like a year before a guy mm, actually came up to me and gave me a speech. Unless and until you still have the fire inside you, and you will be keep going. And you have to keep that fire glowing. What do you need? You need add oxygen for the fire to keep going. Likewise, you need work. If in real world, like it's a metaphor, but actually what keeps your dream alive is only you. You have to keep moving in order for it to keep burning, in order for the fire to keep burning. So you have to keep running, keep going, keep on moving, keep on showing up. And that one day made me to actually go for a longest run of discipline, a longest run of an habit, which is posting a video every single day, posting a trading content every single day, posting psychology video, probably what I think, what I do in day-to-day life, what I did, and I have a document for every fucking day for the past previous year, like 27th of January 2025 to 26th of January 2025 right now, and I'm still doing it, and I would be keep doing it when I retire. Probably I'd actually post some of the content, but anything, bro, anything can happen. But this is no, 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 no. Literally, I would post a video every single day. And even if I couldn't do it, I would post it again the next day, very next day. Maybe if I couldn't post it, I would post the video for that day on that day. Maybe you get the deal, right? So, yeah. And one more thing that I'm gonna do, I need to fix my physique. Right now, have a pretty decent one. I need to be shredded, like I need to be shredded, like having abs. I need to get my abs again. I right now my tummy is flat. It's flat. It's not like I have a belly or I have fat right down there. No, I have a flat abs. I can still see four of them sometime, but I need to be shredded. In order for you to change your life, you need to change your physique first. Let me tell you that simple analogy right here. Like when you're depressed, when you're depressed, you don't feel like doing nothing, right? You feel like doing nothing. You'd be sitting in the bed and crying about your girlfriend. Probably she left you and stuff because you're like lame. You need to keep moving. You need to actually give your body to do something, to distract something. So it's not about only depression, it's about whatever that you're doing in your life. So you gotta keep moving in every aspects, like posting, like trading. I didn't stop trading for a single day for the last 1 year. I kept showing off even when I have no money to actually eat food or pay my bills, rents. I always manage to have a single funded account at least. And I kept on showing up, kept on pushing, kept on showing up. And that is the one thing that keeps the flame going. And I'm proud of myself. I'm really proud of myself that I've been posting videos for the past 1 year. And I've posted more than three, five, 600 videos now. And I'm really happy, really proud, and I'll keep going. Never gonna give up. And if 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 a lot of do I mean like ah, why can't you? Why not you? Right? Why not you? Why not you cannot be a millionaire? Why not you cannot be someone huge? You have to have that. It starts from here. Starts from here. So fix that first. For that, you need to fix your physique. You need to fix your physique in order for you to fix your mental. In order for you to fix your mental, in order you need to fix your physique. And in order to fix your physique, you need to fix your pocket. So it all connects, right? It'll all be connected. And then you'll be someone huge. So you're destined to be there. So just keep going, brother. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you, myself. I love you so much, man. You're the shit. So just keep going. We are destined to be big. And as always, believe in yourself, believe in God. And if you're not gonna believe in God, you're not gonna go any fucking way, bro. So believe in God, believe in yourself. Anything is possible in this life, bro. You only got one shot at this. So just keep going, keep chasing that dream. Always be humble, always be polite, always be kind, and just keep going. You are gonna be so huge. Just remember that and just believe in yourself and just keep showing up, keep going. And I would be keep going if I just let this keep running and I'm out. Adios.